Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy policy settings on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now here you'll find it. You'll find privacy policy, click on it, and here as you see you'll find your privacy policy, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.